Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how to enter our code in eFootball. First of all, open your browser and simply type in enter code eFootball. As you do that, you will see various pages. Now here, you're going to have to simply scroll below to the site by Konami itself. It says enter gift code eFootball points official website by Konami. So go ahead and click onto the site itself. Now as you do that, you will get landed onto a page like this. You can also select the information to how to link your game account with your Konami ID. If you click onto the blue link, you will be able to, simply link your account. So if you click onto the link, you will see a page like this. If your ID is already linked, you may go back to the same page, then select login. At the next page, type in your Konami ID or email address, then select login. And from there, simply paste the gift code which you have and then redeem it. Thank you all for watching.